checklist, cockpit preparations.
Complete in the left.
Complete on the right side.
Complete in the rear.
Oxygen and interphone.
Checked on 100%.
Checked on at 100%.
Okay. Brakes are off, clear to push.
Airport Logo, Brown Corner Bell, 82, pushing on the Foxtrot 5.
Ground 82, right way attack.
I can do the briefing while we're pushing back here. If we wonder, is this called any malfunctions? If the fire bell rings, silence it. It's over here. If a serious malfunction occurs, before V1, I'll abort, and I'll talk to the passengers. You know, talk ATC, and Sid can note the speed at which we abort. After V1, I'll treat as in-flight emergency. Call for the appropriate checklist. Power shall be set by 60 knots. Call 80 knots. V1, rotate V2, 3346, positive rate. N1's fuel flow, normal or not. We'll use reduced E. If we have a problem, we'll come back and land here at Fort Lauderdale. If there's no questions, we'll consider it reviewed.
No questions over here.
Sid, are you ready for the rudders?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Left, neutral. Right, neutral.
Okay, tops are coming. Tops forward.
Psych.
Aft.
Psych.
600 Tango
To
Charlie,
the right.
contact friend.
Psych.
To the left.
Psych.
Final 82, 9 left, clear for takeoff. Clear for takeoff, 9 left.
Continue.
Landing lights, taxis, and slow.
On, off, on.
Compass heading.
Cross check, 93.
93, check.
Very spready, garbled, unreasonable.
V1, rotate. V2.
You're up. Flaps up, 1.7.
Sir, set the window.
Okay. Okay, we're coming up on 10,000. 10,000. Lights are out. Accelerating to 300.